Hi, nandito kami sa mall. The camera is nice. Pero tayong bibilhin, hindi. Yan. Nandito po kami sa mall. I cannot transfer daw dito. Ayan. Lakad-lakad tayo dito. Sila lang naman may bibilhin. Wala kaming kwarta.
Nice, down, nice.
Nice price din. Yan, gala-gala pag may time. O siya. O diba? Nasa mall lang naman kami. Aldo. White gold. White gold. Sige, kayo lang. Dito lang kami sa labas. Nice. I don't know.
Saan lugar?
No. Maybe.
Ano lugar?
I don't know. Ayan, dito kami sa Galaan. This one 600 oh.
600.
One piece.
One
I like
piece.
this one.
This one go 600. Too much good.
I don't know. That is good. Ayan, nasa gold kami. Kanya pa gusto doon. You see the nice camera? Ayan. Dito naman tayo. Ang pogi. Joke. I want buy necklace like this one. Your personalized name. No. If you buy, maybe
See, it's me.
ayan, dito kami sa mall lang naman. Ayan, yung aking friend, yung kasama namin nandun sa loob. Hindi naman kami papasok doon. Ito ay Alcha Sali. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi pa naman ako kumain ng rice. My goodness. Dito lang tayo. Window shopping. Oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak oh. Sa restaurant. Make up forever. Yan. Dito lang kami. Ang ganda ng bulaklak po. Naiinis na yung dalawang bata. Yan. Gumawa ko ng video because she said, I make a video. See? You see that? 1 plus 1.
Right?
No.
Huh?
My people bankrupt. Hindi naman nila ako dinadala sa ganito.
Come here, see. Gracias, right?
That is branded.
This is brothers.
Dito kami sa mga
Which
shoe.
one is nice?
This,
Or this one? Which one is nice?
you know, I'm like this one.
The black.
This one. Yeah, black, like this one. Or this one, like this one.
Nice.
I don't like the big. Not nice. Ayan. Para makita yung aking face.
This one is coming.
Next month pa ko may money. If she give money, me and you, that's okay. Maybe your madam is going with her mother.
Sama.
Yeah.
Why?
I hear to talk to, she asked the two kids, Robert Umi. It means go to her mother.
I don't know if she go on.
Maybe she go. Why is she asking you bring clothes? She buy gold. Because I think 23 the birthday of the baby of Shahad.
City?
Yeah. 23, 24.
This month?
Yeah. Baby Nof is going 1 year old this month. Maybe she buy gold. Here gold is very expensive because the place is pay her place here in the mall.
She watch. I like small. I like this one. Small. Big.
Nice, eh? This one, the
Big one.
necklace.
The necklace nice.
Mhm.
And
Very
little much
nice.
salad. And 800.
No, not 800. That is 1,000.
I mean 8,000.
This is the nice and the earrings and the bracelet. Ay, tara na, saan nyo naman kami dalhin? I'm feeling hungry now because I don't eat rice. Go in the house, sleep. Ritual. I take a video here. Stay here. Stay put. I go there. This one. Here. Nice place. Gawin lang natin 10 minutes yung ating video. Mag-edit na lang ako mamaya. La 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 la. I walk here until here. I take a video. Ayan, dito kami sa mall, di ba? Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice color this one. Huh? Buy two and get free. Ayan, nandito tayo sa mall. Gala-gala, ano lang tayo dito, alalay. Chaperon.